G'day viewers, it's Bendigo Aussie Burnouts and Drags. Just got a question for you. Buying flipping cars, is it worth it? And what cars are worth buying and they keep their value? Do I go for the Holdens, Fords, or the Japanese cars like Corollas, Supras, stuff like that, or the big muscle cars from America? I would love people's comments. I will leave that open for all of you to comment. Yeah, just a question and just general hits, so please like my page. I will be starting to film more. So like and subscribe to the channel. I've got 67 viewers or 67 subscribers. So can we push all that up? More likes, more subscribers. Yeah. So make this get to 500 to 600 likes, and I'll start doing more serious stuff. Alright, please leave a comment, please like the page, and give me any advice. Alright, thank you guys. Catch you later.